Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of disabling motion sensors permission in Chrome on your PC. By following these steps, you can prevent websites from accessing and using the motion sensors on your device, ensuring your privacy and security. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It is represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Step 6. Click on Additional Permissions. Step 7. Look for and click on Motion Sensors. Step 8. To disable motion sensors, click on the option that says Don't allow sites to use motion sensors. By following these simple steps, you can effectively disable motion sensors permission in Chrome on your PC. This ensures that websites cannot access or utilize the motion sensors on your device, protecting your privacy and maintaining your security. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.